So this video is concerning the user story SKOP-97 flying drone to create WTO file. This particular user story probably should have been merged with another user story, specifically SKOP-71. Create a model from drone images. We could have put it together, but we decided to go separate. Basically, we want to generate a WTO file, which is done through Wiki2 Studio. To actually get the WTO file, you hit download WTO. In this case, it doesn't need to generate anything. Download. This is our WTO file right here, and what we would do with that is we'd go into our project folder, which in this case, we'll just do it right here in Unity. We go to Streaming Assets, Wikitude, and in that folder, that's where we drop our WTO file. In this case, we called it ZIPA. You get a random number here. You can just go ahead and rename it. It's not a big deal. But once you put it in here, what you want to then do is go to your object controller. Well, take that back. You go to Object Tracker, and right here where it says Target Collection, make sure you're pointing there, and then it should work. And that's pretty much it. That concludes this video for SKOP-97.